In last video we have covered 1 to 50 questions. In this video we are going to cover 51 to 100 questions. Question number 51. Budget is an instrument of planning only, control only, both planning and control, none of these. Budget is an instrument of both planning and control. Option C is the right answer. Question number 52. Dash dash are the prescribed guidelines for conducting an action. Option D. Policies are the prescribed guidelines for the conducting an action. 52. Option D is the answer. Question number 53. The purpose and the aim for which the organization is set up and operate is called objective. Answer is objective. Planning process begins with setting objectives. Question number 54. Option A is the right answer. Planning process begins with setting objectives. Question number 55. It is a function of management which refers to the process of integrating the activities of different units of organization to achieve the organization goals. This is called coordination. This is called coordination. Planning is both forward looking and backward looking. Option C is the right answer. 57. Management by objective is a goal oriented. Option A is the answer. What is the full form of MBO? Management by objectives. Management by objective is the right answer. Option C. Which of the following is not said to be a feature of coordination? Which of the following is not said to be a feature of coordination? Provides different functions. Option B is the right answer. Planning is pervasive, futuristic, continuous. Option D, all of the above. All of these. Question number 60. Option D is the right answer. 61. Planning involves future course of action. Option A is the right answer. Planning provides purpose and direction of all persons. 62. Option C is the right answer. 63. Operational planning is undertaken at very simple lower level. Operational level is also called as lower level. 64. Dash dash are guides to action. Policies. Option C is the right answer. Policies are guides to action. 65. Dash dash as a special type of plan prepared for meeting the challenges of competitors and other environmental forces. Option C is the right answer. Strategies. 66. Dash dash are goals established to guide the efforts of the company and each of its components. 66. Objectives are goals established. 66. Objectives. Option A is the right answer. 67. Dash dash is also known as management by result. Management by objectives is also known as management by result. 67. Option B is the right answer. 68. Coordination dash dash coordination refers to the description of the behavior and relationships of the organization. Option C. Procedural coordination refers. Option C is the right answer. 69 dash dash is a systematic way of handling regular events. Procedure is a systematic way. 69 is the option A is the right answer. 70. Which among the following is not the principle of organization? Principle of organization. Initiative is not the principle of organization. 71. Which among the following is not a type or forms of organization? Not a type or form of organization. Formal organization, project organization, committee organization, line organization. Formal organization नहीं है. It is a not a type or form of organization. Option A is the right. 72. In a line organization, which among the following will not work directly under the general manager? Sales manager, foreman, works manager, personal manager. Option B is the right answer because rest of the options are all managers. Foreman is at lower level. So option B is the right answer. 73. Which scholar introduced the functional type of organization? Which scholar introduced the functional type of organization? Obviously F.W. Taylor. Option A is the right answer. Which of the following statement is true? There is a scope for specialization in line organization. It is difficult to fix responsibility in line organization. Option C. The line of authority in line organization is vertical. Yes. Option C is the right answer. लाइन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हमेशा वर्टिकल होता है. 75. Whose definition on authority is the right to give orders and power to exact obedience. Question number 75. आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. हेनरी फाइल ने डिफाइन किया था अथॉरिटी को. 76. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज राइट अबाउट अथॉरिटी? There is existence of right. This is the option C is the right answer. 77. Which among the following is not a feature of accountability? Always upward, unitary, should be specific standards. ये तीनों फीचर है. ऑप्शन ए इज नॉट. कैन बी डेलीगेटेड. 77. ऑप्शन ए is the right answer. 78. Which among the following is not a principle of delegation? Obviously remuneration ये फंक्शन नहीं है डेलीगेशन का. 79. Which among the following is considered as a reluctance on the path of subordinates in delegation? Fear of criticism. Fear of criticism. 79. Option B. 80. Which among the following is a factor of determining centralization? Centralization is means obviously integration. Option A is the right answer. 80A. 81. Organizing is a remedy for all type of problems, ensure accurate forecasting. नहीं है. None of these. Answer is none of these. Option C is the right answer. Organizing process involves division of work, grouping of identical work. Yes, both. Option C is the answer. Formal organization is dash 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 created by management. Option A is the right answer. Organizing deals with organizing deals with division of work. 85. The process of organizing consists of dash dash dash. Division of work into job, establishing authority relationship. Yes, दोनों है. तो option C, both A and B is the right answer. Authority refers to, question number 86. Authority refers to dash dash dash. Being in management position. 87. Principles of specialization requires dash dash dash. Principles of specialization requires division of labor. 87 option A is the right answer. 88. Delegation is dash dash dash. Delegation is assigning the task. 89. Accountability means answerability. Option D is the answer. 90. Which of the following is not an element of delegation? Not. It said not. Informal organization. Option D is the answer. 91. Centralization refers to. Centralization refers to retention of decision making authority. Option A is the right answer. 92. Span of management refers to. Span of management refers to number of subordinate under a superior. Option C is the right answer. 93. A network of social relationship that arise spontaneously due to the interaction at work is called informal organization. 93. Option B is the answer. 94. Which of the following does not follow the scalar chain? 94. Which of the following does not follow the scalar chain? Obviously, informal organization again. Option D is the right answer. 95. For delegation to be effective, it is essential that responsibility to be accompanied with necessary. 95. Authority is the answer. Option A. 96. The form of organization known for giving rise to rumors is called giving rise to rumors. Again, informal organization. Option D is the answer. 97. Grouping of activities on the basis of products line is a part of. Grouping of activities on the basis of products line is a part of divisional organization. Option B is the answer. Identification and grouping of activities to be undertaking and assigning them of different departments is planning, directing, organizing. Yes. Option C is the answer. Question number 99. Find out the odd. Which one is odd here? Well defined structure, official line communication, well planned relation, social interaction. Social interaction. Option D is the answer. The last question, question number 100. The right to give orders and power to obedient is authority. So in this video we have covered another 50 questions.